pay a sum of rupees 50,000 under section 140 of the Motor Vehicle Act to the appellants with interest at 7.5% per annum. The award is under challenge at the instant of the calamities in MCOP number 1172/2010. We have heard the learned counsel for the appellants. We have also heard the learned additional advocate general on behalf of the second respondent. The appellants filed a claim petition in MCOP number 1172 of 2010 before the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Coimbatore, contending that the bus bearing registration number owned by the second appellant came in a rash and negligent manner and dashed against the two-wheeler driven by their son, resulting in his instantaneous death. The claim was opposed by the second respondent on the ground that the deceased alone was responsible for the accident. The tribunal, accepting the case of the second respondent, absolved the corporation from liability. The tribunal observed that the first respondent drawn the bus uphill on the road from to the deceased was driving his vehicle downhill. The deceased failed to observe the traffic rules and met with the accident. The tribunal therefore rejected the claim and absolved the transport corporation from liability. The tribunal awarded compensation under section 140 of the Motor Vehicles Act. The police initially registered a case in CR number 84 of 2009 against the deceased. The charge got updated on account of death. The appellant moved the High Court for registering a case against the driver of the bus, and the same resulted in registration of a fresh case in CR number 72 of 2009. The FIR was later closed as mistake of fact. Before the trial court, the appellants examined PW 1, 2 and 3 to prove that the accident was on account of the rash and negligent driving by the driver of the transport bus. However, the learned trial judge disbelieved the evidence of those two witnesses. The best piece of evidence to show the nature of accident is the scene mazar and the report prepared by the motor vehicle inspector at the earliest point of time. The report would intend as to whether the motorcycle hit against the bus or vice versa. The evidence of the motor vehicle inspector should also be taken into consideration to arrive at the conclusion as to whether the driver of the bus also contributed for the accident, since there was no indication in the evidence originally that one claim petition would be rejected by fixing negligence on the deceased. The appellants could not produce the evidence before the tribunal. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, we are of the view that interest of justice would be subserved by returning the matter to the trial court of fresh consideration.
சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போதான் உங்க ஃபோன் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனை தேடி வரும்.